Hello everyone. Now we will see how to manage your salary payment in Vidyalaya Prabandhan. Suppose if you want to pay salary to your employee, so how you can manage all these things in Vidyalaya Prabandhan? First, you have to select human resources. Here you can see payroll option. Select payroll, and here you can see payment, salary payment. Just select salary payment. Now you have to decide whom you want to pay salary. So first you have to select school. Suppose I want to pay Best in Public School to their teacher. In which teachers? So I want to pay salary Muskan Yadav. Okay, and find. After find, you will see the history. Okay, suppose I want to pay salary of month January, and payment mode is cash, and expenditure head is direct expenses, and just submit. After submit, it will show you that this data already exists in database. Please try another one because we already pay January month payment to Muskan Yadav. That's why it's showing this. And now we will pay March and submit. After submit, you can see already we have paid January month fees and February month and March month now. So this is how you can pay your employee salary payment. And if you want to pay another one, suppose if you want to pay employee, which employee? Ritik Srivastava. Okay, and find. After find, you will see already all data filled automatically, like their salary grade, monthly, according to their salary grade, their salary is 30,000. And now you have to select month for which month you are paying. So suppose I am paying for July month, and if you already paid July month salary, so it will not accept it. But we will not pay July month. That's why I am selecting July, and payment mode is cash, direct expenditure, note, paid, and submit. After submit, you can see it's added that there is no data rather than July. That means we only paid July month July month salary to your employee, Ritik Srivastava. So this is how you can manage your salary payment in Vidyalaya Prabandhan. It's very easy to pay pay salary to your employee and teacher. If you want to delete, you can delete from here. If you want to edit something, so you can edit from here, you can view from here. So all these things you can directly go with, you can do with your salary payment in Vidyalaya Prabandhan. Thank you.